Today we're diving into Zed Editor, a modern code editor that's been making waves in the developer community. But does it live up to the hype? Let's explore what makes it tick and if it's worth your time. Zed Editor is designed with a focus on speed and collaboration, aiming to streamline the coding experience. Right off the bat, the interface feels clean and intuitive, which is a huge plus for both beginners and seasoned developers. The editor supports a range of programming languages, so whether you're working in JavaScript, Python, or Go, you'll find the tools you need. One standout feature is its real-time collaboration capabilities, allowing multiple users to edit the same document simultaneously. This could be a game changer for teams working remotely. However, while the basic functionality shines, there are areas that feel a bit underdeveloped. For instance, the extensions library isn't as extensive as you might find in more established editors, which could limit customization options for some users. Overall, Zed Editor seems to cater to developers looking for speed and simplicity, but it may leave power users wanting more. So, what are the pros and cons? On the plus side, Zed Editor is incredibly fast and responsive, which is a breath of fresh air compared to some of the laggy alternatives out there. The collaborative features are a big win for teams, and the user-friendly design makes it accessible for newcomers. On the flip side, there are some frustrations. The lack of an extensive plugins marketplace might deter developers who rely on specific tools for their workflow. Additionally, while the editor is great for general use, it may not suit those who need advanced debugging tools or integrated terminal features. If you're a casual coder or part of a team that values collaboration, Zed Editor is worth considering. But if you're looking for a fully featured IDE, you might want to explore other options. In conclusion, Zed Editor is a solid choice for developers who prioritize speed and collaboration. However, if you require a more feature-rich environment, you might find it lacking. It's definitely worth a try, especially for those in team settings. But keep your expectations in check if you're used to more robust editors.